All right, guys, it's Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, formerly Detail Juice. I have a 2018 Volvo XC60 hood right here behind me that I ordered and painted it yesterday. The Volvo just showed up for me to swap everything over, fix the headlights, touch up the bumper, and then install the new grille. Let me show it to you. So there we go. She's buckled a little bit. This is aluminum. The story goes that she let her daughter with no license drive the car and she wrecked it. So the plan is to swap out this hardware on the hood and that cover there, and then transfer it to the new hood, put the new hood on, get it fitted properly. Then I'm going to fix these nasty headlights. I'm going to sand them all down and put 2 coats of clear coat on them. I'm going to swap out the grille and then touch up the bumper. That's the plan. All right, I'm all over it. I'm going to get some stuff done, and once I have more to show you, I got a little bit of dye back on this clear coat. I am going to have to cut and buff it. And in fact, she noticed it, which interesting. It's a little bit of dryness. That's all right. I'm gonna just hit it with some 2000 and then 3000, polish it out. It should be good to go and look like the rest of the car. Looks like the paint matches pretty good. So anyway, with all that said, I'm gonna start pulling this hardware and I'll bring you back whenever I've got something else to show you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this Volvo XC60 is complete. Brand new aluminum hood, painted and installed. I touched up some chips. The paint is a little bit off, especially when it's in a random spot like that, unfortunately. Color match does look pretty good. I replaced the grill. It's a brand new, well, I'm sorry, this is a used grill that I got locally. Because it was smashed right there, which you can see on the other hood that's over there. It's on the passenger side right there. It was smashed right here. It tore the other grill up and it pushed the bumper in a little bit. And the only way to fix that, which she didn't want to do, is to pull the bumper and pull the support back out and make sure that it's proper and all the things. And then put the bumper cover back on. She didn't want to do any of that, so that we did not. I say we, it's just me. But yeah, so it looks pretty good. Headlights much better than they were. Remember all the yellow and crappiness? These look far better. So everything looks good. Gap looks good. Gap looks good. If you need body and paint, detailing, metal fabrication, anything I do, at rapidriderehab.com. Give me a call, 813-846-4406. Again, I replaced the hood with a brand new one and painted it. I got a used grill, installed that, installed the new camera. Well, I'm sorry, this is the camera from the other grill, but I wired her all up and whatnot, and she's good to go. Thank you guys for watching. If you got questions, leave them in the comments, or you can text me, 813-846-4406. Thanks guys, have a great day.